Okay. So we got one person join. We about to wait. Let this shit get litty. Let all the people come in. You say hello? You say hello to your live viewers? Huh? Who's Laura? Okay. Oh, thank you. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. We're just gonna wait for this to get a little bit more jumping. Right? Because that's what we do. You got what? A good what? Maybe like 200 followers or something like that? And your fucking stepmom got me fucking livid. That's another motherfucking bitch I'ma handle in a minute. You press for a fucking Instagram and you mean to tell me in 5 fucking minutes all you got is one fucking viewer? Wow. Yo te hablo mañana y yo no abuso de tu confianza. Yo soy mujer y madre y jamás te fallaré, pero yo voy donde ti mañana frente de tu nena y si hablamos. Get the fuck out of here. She come. Let me tell you something. Oh, okay. So we got another little viewer. That's cute. You want to wave to them? You want to wave to them? Why not? Wave. It's your motherfucking live. Wave. Wave. Oh, you got another viewer. You got 2 viewers now.
Ready to know what she's done already.
Oh, that's cute. So y'all probably on here wondering who the fuck I am, right? Well, I'm Elizabeth's mom, and Elizabeth is in no shape, way, or form allowed to have any type of fucking phone, any type of social media, and I just came across it. So, you allowed to have social media? Huh? Take your hand out your face. You allowed to be having social media? Huh? No. But you on here, right? Cursing up a motherfucking storm like that's something I'll fucking teach your ass. Like this shit's some type of fucking cute game, right? Talking about some boot up and your fucking messages back and forth to all these little kids as if that's something I'll fucking teach you. You don't wash your motherfucking drawers. Shit be on there with shit and poop. Just literally wash them. So I'm trying to understand. Can you help me understand? Can you give me to be having social media? Huh? No. But you on here, right? Cursing up a motherfucking storm like that's something I'll fucking teach your ass. Like this shit's some type of fucking cute game, right? Talking about some boot up and your fucking messages back and forth to all these little kids as if that's something I'll fucking teach you. You don't wash your motherfucking drawers. Shit be on there with shit and poop. Just literally wash them. So I'm trying to understand. Can you help me understand? Can you give me a probable cause as to why you're doing the shit you're doing? Because me and 7 other people trying to figure it out. You know? She don't know. So this page is gonna get shut the fuck down because she ain't to have no fucking social media. Those are my rules. Until the age that she can go get a motherfucking job, help me with motherfucking rent, and learn how to wash her motherfucking drawers and don't come back to me shitty or pissed, then that's the day that she can go get a motherfucking phone herself because this one she stole off of a family fucking member. Okay? And then she went and created this little motherfucking account. So that shit in front that she trying to put the fuck on for y'all, that shit is all a fucking fake. Anything else you want to tell him? You sure? You positive? Because I'm going to save this shit. I'm going to leave it on here for 24 motherfucking hours. You sure? You ain't got nothing to tell him? Oh, alright. So she ain't got nothing to tell y'all. So I get off of here then. And to the other 2 people that joined, I guess y'all could be the judge of what the fuck just happened. But I'll stick around. Maybe I'll have a little motherfucking laugh or 2. I'll wait. I'll wait. See, you got the right one. The right one. The other parents may not give a fuck. I do. This is what giving a fuck fucking parents do. Oh no, they don't gotta stop. No, honey, by all means laugh. Get a kiki ha ha out of it. Trust me. They all laughing at your ass. And all you had to do was fucking follow instructions. Oh, she right now. Yeah, you right. No. Right now, as furious as I am, you damn motherfucking right. Jocelyn, times 3. Yeah, right. No, it's not funny. It's not funny at all. I'll be laughing later though. I'll be like B4L.angel_. Yeah, I'll be like him later on. Mad now, cry, laugh later. In a little time frame, what is it? Okay, give it like a good 15 minutes. We got a little 14 viewers. That's cute. Sneaking, still on the phone. Going to create an Instagram for 13 motherfucking viewers. That's cute. Okay. Jason requested to be a part of your live video. Let's see what he got to say.
Yo, what's up?
What do we do now?
What's up, man? How's your day today?
And it feel like to me he got on here to hype up like.
How's your day today?
He trying to.
You're looking kind of better.
You gonna come on here live and I can face? Because I don't just talk.
You don't talk? Why did you accept me then?
Because I figured you was gonna be a little man and actually show your face.
I'm showing my face, man. I don't know if you need glasses to see, but
Glasses, it literally says waiting for Jason whomever.
I don't know. I feel like he disrespectful, she disrespectful. I feel like this whole thing was irrelevant. The little girl didn't learn nothing. I don't know. I just feel like this whole video was irrelevant. I don't know what point she was trying to get across. We heard, okay, she stole the phone. She was on here cussing, whatever.
Well, it's not my internet.
But,
my daughter just so happens to steal a family member's phone. And she ain't got no motherfucking internet because she shouldn't have a motherfucking phone. But since Jason died, I don't know what the fuck. Want to talk shit because he wasn't here since the beginning of the motherfucking live. How about y'all fill him in?
Like, have y'all ever been embarrassed for somebody? I'm legit embarrassed for the mama because she really made herself look stupid. I feel like she got on here, she did too much. She tried to be like that one lady with the other daughter, you know, the one who showed her daughter's boobs on fucking Instagram, which was disrespectful as hell. But I don't know, I feel like I see parents do this too much, and it's pointless. Y'all kids are still mad, disrespectful. They keep doing the same thing. Kids, teenagers, stop doing stupid shit, especially if you have bad parents, because you're probably going to end up on the internet embarrassed, and it's still not going to solve shit. You just making your parents famous.
I'm not nearly helpless. Corny ass live.